Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 84 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما لنا لا نؤمن بالله وما جاءنا من الحق و for wow مخرج of wow circle your lips for fatha open your jaws the sound is short وما two counts long ما two counts long. La for short. Na two counts long. La two counts long. Nu for the circle ellipse. For Hamza, it will get a nice shidda. There will be no flow of sound. And as you will touch Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Nu, 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 billahi. Focus, I give E sound and لفظ جلالة will get little tawassut and then it will be two counts long and it's light because there is kasra before it. Billahi. For kasra give E sound. For fatha open jaws. Ma two counts long. Ja mad muttasil wajib. For fatha open jaws. Hamza is very shadid. Na two counts long. Me for kasra give E sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut. Haqqi ha with hums from your throat for fatha open jaws attach with qaf. Qaf will be heavy. Haq and then there is kasra on second qaf. Qi haqqi wa for fatha open jaws. Naqa noon light. Qa is heavy. So make sure noon should be light and ta will be heavy and ta will get sifa of qalqala. Nata ma for fatha open jaws. Ru ain from your throat nicely for dhamma circular lips. The sound is short. Ain. This is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yude. Yeah, it's light for dhamma circular lips attached. Dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. يدخي voice heavy for kasra give E sound. La for fatha on jaws. Na two counts long. Rab ra is heavy for fatha on jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. There should be no flow of sound. Rab bu for dhamma circle lips. When there is first ba, your lips should be in a straight position. Awad and then woo. You will circle your lips on your second ba. Woo na two counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws. Al ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Qaw qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws and attached wow. This is lean. This is wow lean. So make it soft and make it two counts long. Miss for constructed E sound. Attach it sod. Sod will get sifa for and it will be heavy and it will get sifa of safir. And sifa of safir brings in whistle sound. Miss saw two counts long. Li for constructed E sound and the sound is short. حين مد عارض للسكون. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad عارض للسكون. وما لنا لا نؤمن بالله وما جاءنا من الحق ونطمع أن يدخلنا ربنا مع القوم الصالحين. fa, give hams in fa. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta, 2 counts long. Ba, fatha open jaws. Hu, for the circle lips. Mullahu. Meme, keep meme light. For the circle lips, attach with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Allah, Allah, 2 counts long. And lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is dhamma before it. Hu for dhamma circle lips. B for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 counts long. O is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma circle lips make it 2 counts long. Jan kunna. This is akmal kunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. Tia. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Tia. Taj. Ta is sharp from the top and jaws attached to jim. Jim will get sifa of qala. Ri 2 counts long and ra will be light. Whenever ra has kasra, it is light. Mia ikhfa, light ikhfa, so keep your tongue straight and keep your tongue close, very close to your makhraj of ta. Tah, tah. Ha will get hums and it has rakhawa and it should be from your throat nicely. Tahti for kasra give e sound. Hal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. An hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu is hard. Ha 2 counts long. Uru for the circle ellipse for the and ra will be heavy because whenever ra is with dhamma, it is heavy. Ha ha. Ha is heavy. You are lifting your tongue up to make it heavy, but you are not circling your lips and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra keep e sound. Di 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Fi give hums in fa, make it 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Wa مخرج الواو circling your lips for fatha open jaws. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Jim is shadid letter. You are the makhraj of jim is when you are lifting up the middle part of your tongue towards the middle part of your palate and you are pasting your tongue on the makhraj of jim. Ja, ja. For fatha open jaws, there should not be a flow of breath because it will bring in the sound of ch. So be very careful. Ja, ja, za, za has safir. Make it 4 counts long. Muttasil wajib. U will for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is making full of sound. Muh for the circle ellipse attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of hums and as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position. Si for kasra give e sound. Neen. This waqf has given it a temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat this sukoon. And this temporary sukoon has bring in the wasat on noon. Because Lin Omar are the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get tawasut. Tawasut. It will bring in tawasut. So noon is among these letters, so it will get tawasut here. فأثابهم الله بما قالوا فأثابهم الله بما قالوا جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها وذلك جزاء المحسنين والمخرج واو circling اللبس ففتحة jaws attached لام القد صفة التوسط لا لام is short with فتحة لام is short the two counts long na ففتحة jaws the sound is short kaf is light ففتحة jaws ف give hams in fa ففتحة jaws oru for dhamma circle lips and make it two counts long and ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma, it is heavy. و مخرج واو circling your lips, the sound is short. وكذ ففتح jaws attached dal will get sifa of رخاوة. So رخاوة is flow of sound. So there should be the sound heard that is flowing. كذ كذ ففتح jaws boo for the circle lips, make it two counts long and make sure this mud should not be in your nose. Boo. B. Focus like E sound. Two counts long. Yeah. Two counts long. T. Very sharp sound. Focus like E sound. Na. Mad munfasil jaiz. Make it four counts long. U. For the circle lips. As you can see, this zero on wow, it means we are not pronouncing this wow. So this hamza will be short. U. لا مد متصل واجب four counts long. E for give E sound. K for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. As hamza is sharp. As you'll touch sod, you'll get rakhawa. It will be heavy and it has safir. There should be a whistle sound in it. As ha two counts long. Wool for the circle lips attached lam will get sifat tawassut. Ja for fatha upon jaws. Heem. This because of this fact, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this four counts long, two counts long vowel into four. This is madarid li sukun. والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم. Yeah. And this is four counts long and ya is soft. Ya ay. Hamza is very sharp up top on jaws attached with ya. This will get number whenever ya and wow are with tashdid will get number. And number is jump off sound. When you are attaching hamza with ya, here you are giving number. Ay, you, and then you will circle your lips for dhamma when you are finishing this number. After finishing number, you are giving dhamma and you are circling your lips. Before that, it is not circled. Ay, you, hal, for fatha jaws attached with lam will get sifab tawassut. La, the, two counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is sharp, make it two counts long. Ma, for fatha upon jaws. Nu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Make sure This mud should not be in your nose. Nu, la, two counts long. Two for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. How? Okay. This raw will be light because there is kasra on it. Har, har. Three for kasra give E sound. Mu, two counts long. For the circle ellipse. Tay. Ta is heavy. As you will touch ya, you will give number. Number is jump of sound. E, ya is soft. Ba, two counts long. T, focus like E sound. Ma, four counts long. Mad, munfasil. Ja is a. Hamza is very sharp. Hal, ha, with hums from your throat and attach with lam. Keep this lam light because to make this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy, you tend to make this lam heavy too. So be very careful. This lam is light, light. Hal, law. This lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Hal, law. Who for the circle ellipse. La for fatha open jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attach it. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. Huwa مخرج فاو circling your lips fatha open jaws. La two counts long. Ta keep ta very sharp. Attach it. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. And ain should be from your throat nicely. Ta very sharp sound. Do two counts long for the circle ellipse. And why it's not extra heavy, extra long, why it's not four counts long? Because we are giving waqf here. If we will continue, then it will be four counts long because it will have hamza after that. In Hamza is very sharp. Focus like E sound, attach it. Noon will get kunna. And this kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Nallah. Ha for fatha upon jaws. La two counts long. You. Yeah is soft for the circle lips. Hib. Ha from your throat with hums and attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. There should not be any flow of sound. Hib. Wool. And make sure you are not giving very sharp stop here, but the recitation should flow like Hibbul. You will not stop because of the shidda. You'll give shidda and you keep on going with your recitation. And then for dhamma, circle your lips attach it. Lam will get sif after wasud. Wul, mu'a. For dhamma, circle your lips attach it. Ain will get sifa after wasud. And the wasud is medium flow of sound. Ain should be from your throat nicely. The very sharp sound. Deen. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat lis sukoon. يا أيها الذين آمنوا يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تحرموا طيبات ما لا تحرموا طيبات ما أحل الله لكم ما أحل الله لكم ولا تعتدوا إن الله لا يحب المعتدين. ومخرج الفاء circling your lips ففتح open jaws. Ku, kaf is light, and for dhamma circle your lips, the sound is short. Lu, 2 counts long, and for dhamma circle your lips. Mim, for kasra give e sound attached at mim, you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so make the sound. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Ra is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Z, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ku, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Mu, keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Mullah, 2 counts long. Hu, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Ha from your throat for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. La, this is ikhfa heavy. So to make this ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. La, qay. Ta is heavy. As you will touch ya, it will get number because ya is with tashdid here. Qay, yi, and then for kasra give e sound, the sound will be short here. Ba, 2 counts long. Mad is making it 2 counts long. What for wow, circle your lips attached ta will get sif of shidda, so there should not be any flow of sound. What the for fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Qul for dhamma, circle your lips, and qaf will be heavy. Attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it. Allah, Allah. Hal, ha from your throat. For fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Now you'll get sif of the wasat. Hal, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is sharp. Make it. After that, there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so your tongue should be in a straight position, and your tongue should be very much ready to say letter ta. So it should be close to the makhraj of ta. Antum. This is ikhfa shafawi. So keep your the sound in your nose. Tumbi. Focus give e sound. He 2 counts long. Mu for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza will get shifa of shidda. And as you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Mu, mi, for kasra give e sound. Noon. Because of this fact, you are giving temporary second here. This temporary second has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarat second. وَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي أَنْتُمْ بِهِ مُؤْمِنُونَ. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.